What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to customize the ribbon in Microsoft Word. Customizing the ribbon allows you to add your most commonly used commands in a single place, which means you won't have to switch tabs constantly. This can save you a lot of time, especially if you're working on a document that requires frequent use of specific tools. To start, open your Microsoft Word application and click on the File tab. From there, navigate to Options, which you can find in the left side pane. This will open a pop-up window. In this window, select the Customize Ribbon option. In the Customize Ribbon section, you will see two main panes. On the left side are all the commands that you can add to the ribbon. These are the tools and functions available in Word that you can drag into your custom tabs. On the right side, you'll see your current tabs. Here's where you can add a new tab by clicking on the New Tab button located beneath the right pane. This automatically adds a new tab along with a new group within that tab. You might want to add more groups to organize your commands better, or just keep related commands together. To add another group to an existing tab, make sure the tab is selected. Then, click the New Group button. You can rename any tab or group to something more descriptive of its contents, which helps in quickly navigating through them. Just select the tab or group you want to rename and click the Rename button. This allows you to label them in a way that directly corresponds to your workflow. Customizing your ribbon like this tailors Word to fit your specific needs, making your document creation process smoother and faster. You no longer have to waste time searching through multiple tabs for a command if it's all organized under one that you've customized yourself. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.